In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subtasks, steps, in Microsoft To Do. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by a big to-do item, breaking it into smaller pieces can make all the difference. In Microsoft To Do, those smaller pieces are called steps, and they work just like subtasks you can check off one by one. Start by opening Microsoft To Do on your PC. If you already have the app open, make sure you're looking at your list and the tasks inside it. Next, either create a new task or click an existing one. When you select a task, its detail view opens on the right side of your screen. This is where you'll add the subtasks. In the Detail panel, look just below the task name for the Add Step option. That's your entry point for creating subtasks. Click Add Step, type a short, clear name for the step, and press Enter. Aim for action-oriented phrases like book venue or send invitations so you know exactly what to do when you see them later. Repeat this process to add as many steps as you need under the same task. Each time you press Enter, a new line appears for the next step. Keep going until your task is broken into manageable actions. You'll notice that each step gets its own checkbox, so you can mark progress as you complete them one at a time. As you work through your steps, watch the small counter that appears under the main task. It shows how many steps you've completed out of the total, giving you a quick snapshot of your progress. For example, if you finish 2 out of 4 steps, you'll see that reflected right there without opening the task. One important detail to remember: completing all the steps does not automatically complete the main task. The steps are there to guide your progress, but you'll still need to check off the main task separately when everything is truly done. Think of the main task as the finish line, and the steps as the mile markers along the way. Here's a simple example. If your task is plan birthday party, your steps might be book venue, send invitations, order cake, and decorate room. As you check off each step, the counter updates, and when every step is done, you can confidently mark the main task complete. That's all there is to it. Open a task, click Add Step, type, press Enter, and repeat. Keep your steps clear and actionable, and you'll turn big tasks into easy wins.